Hey guys, today's video is going to be a haul. Hold on, I gotta get situated here. A haul. I got a box from Jomar. I actually got two boxes from Jomar. One was a fast fashion box. Let me know if you guys want to see that video. It was kind of like meh, the box was meh. But this box, you guys, this box was great. This is the Hipster box. I actually went on their website last night because I wanted to get another one, but they're all sold out. Of course. I don't remember how much I paid. I think it was like $140 for, I think it was 30 pieces. I'll have the exact numbers on the screen here. Okay, so yeah, this was the Hipster box. It's supposed to be vintage or vintage style. Okay, here we go. First thing is a sweater from Land's End. This is a size small. It's a women's vintage sweater in this like bluish green color. Next is Family Dog. That's the brand. This is a Wasteland Daily Flash Family Dog. It's like a concert, I think. I don't know. It's like a distressed muscle tank. I got excited when I saw this shirt because my dad loved this place, but this is the one in Hollywood, not in Florida. It's Mel's Drive-In. That says, didn't we meet at Mel's? My dad loved that place, but again, this is the one that says Hollywood. I don't know what size it is because the label's like rubbed off. Okay, next is a t-shirt, Anvil Organic, size large. This says Grand Canyon Railway. Looks like that. All right, next we have a shirt from Bass. This is the Buckskin Twill, 100% cotton shirt, size 17. Just a men's shirt, red button-down shirt. We have another graphic tee, American Classic, size medium. I don't know what this is. Does it say? Oh wait, hold on. 2018, Pink Floyd. Oh, Pink Floyd, is this like an album cover? I don't know. Brandy Melville shirt. This says chill since 1993. Doesn't have a size on it. Is Brandy Melville still all like one size fits all? That's not a real thing, by the way. One size fits all. Like, no. Nope. Another Brandy Melville tee. This says SOOOO, New York on it. It's a long sleeve, a crop tee. Again, no size. I would say this is like a medium. Next, we have a t-shirt. This is Gildan, so somebody made this. A size large. It says Property of Poly Prep. Don't know what that is. Poly Prep. Is that a school? Is that a school? Poly Prep? I don't know. I'm going to save the best things for last, by the way. Just so you know, in case you guys are like, this isn't a great box, Vanessa. Just wait. Okay, this is St. John's Bay Outdoor, size medium men's shirt. This is Teen Vice. This is a printed shirt. It's on Fruit of the Loom, size small. Teen Vice, it says. It's a muscle tank. A sweater from Preston Knitwear. I don't know what size this is. Crop striped sweater. This is a Camp Knockamixon t-shirt. I googled it and I guess it's a camp. It's a co-ed camp in Pennsylvania, but this is for sure vintage. This says size medium on it, but I would say, well, maybe maybe it is medium. Maybe it is. Next, we have the Rolling Stones. The Rolling Stones, size small. Oh, it's... I was like, why isn't this like bright? It's like faded, but it's inside out. Vanessa, you idiot. It's inside out. Oh, see? What? Okay. I have it like this because the tag is like this and the seams... I don't know if you guys can see that, but the seams are right here. But the graphic, oh wait, it's backwards if it's on the inside. Is this a trick? Because if I do it inside out, it's backwards. The words are backwards. This is a weird shirt. I think it's supposed to be like that. Anyway, this says Roxy Music. Somebody made this. It's on a Gildan tag, size extra large. Roxy Music. All right, next shirt is J Gout, size, oh, one size. Yeah, it's a crop shirt. It says Santa Monica with a bunch of like skeleton dudes on it, like skateboarding. Okay. All right, then we have, I don't know what this brand is. Ango, Relango, I don't know. Sweater. It's a size medium, crop green sweater. We have this Eddie Bauer vest, size tall. Extra large tall. This is a big vest. That is very big. Lee jeans. These are totally vintage. I don't know what size they are. I'm gonna have to measure them. These are the boot cut flare jeans. Boot cut flare in this like cream color. Looks white on camera. But these are in like excellent condition. It's not like denim, it's soft and fuzzy. It's like kind of fuzzy. Levi's overalls. This is a size extra small. And these are just black denim overalls. This Dickies jacket, size medium, denim jacket. Looks like that. There is a stain on it. I might see if I can get that out, or I might bleach it. I don't know. All right, we have an LL Bean relaxed fit, extra small petite. So this is women's flannel shirt. That's extra small. Another LL Bean flannel shirt. This is slightly fitted, size small. Another LL Bean shirt. This is men's small. It's like a denim shirt. Land's End sweater. This is a size small. It's a really pretty cream color. A Pendleton wool blazer. I do not know what size this is. I'm gonna have to measure it. Looks like this. And then these are the items that made the box worth it. First we have some Levi's 501 cutoff denim shorts. These are size 25, I think. Yep, 25. Look like that. Amazing condition. Amazing. Some more Levi's 501, but these next three ones are the Big E. The Big E, these are like coveted, sought after. The Big E, I believe they stopped making the Big E in, I think 1970 was the last year that they made Big E Levi's. Big E, and by Big E, I mean, if you look at the tab on the back, the E on Levi's is capitalized. There's that. So I'll show you in comparison to these other 501 shorts. The E is not capitalized there. So if you can find Levi's with a capital E, they're old. So yeah, these are 501, just cut off shorts again, Big E. These are a size 27. Look like that. Woo! More Big E. These are 501 pants with some distressing. Excellent condition. All these are in excellent condition. I was so shocked. These are a size, oh, so these are 501 short. So these are size 25 waist and the length is 28. So these are a little bit shorter, but these are like perfect mom jeans, like high-rise mom jeans. You could like roll them at the bottom. Oh my gosh, amazing. Again, these are from, well, before 1970, which is crazy. This last pair, these are white tab Levi's. I had never seen the white tab Levi's before. It has the small E on it, so this is probably from the 70s, like after 1970, right when they switched over. But they only made white tab Levi's in the 60s and 70s. So these are definitely from the 70s. These are just some more mom jeans. The size tag is not in here. I measured them and they are, I forgot. I have to look it up. These are size 26. I'm so excited for all those Levi's, seriously. And the overalls too. I feel like the overalls are gonna do well. So if you're interested in purchasing anything, check out my closet. I feel like those 4 items definitely made the box. The other items, majority of them, I will probably be able to sell. A couple of the shirts are kind of like meh. I hope they restock because I want to get another one. I will link Jomar down below. I'll also link my other Jomar videos down below because I know I've gotten a box from them that was just shit. So yeah, I feel like it's with anything, you know, with mystery boxes, with like subscription services too, you know, sometimes you get good shit, sometimes you don't. What is this? I don't know. So try it out for yourself. Take your chances and see what you get. All right, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.